Hi there, so I wanted to show you a quick and easy sound design with Reformer Pro for an everyday example of a dog and a more unique example of an alligator. So for the everyday dog example, you can see here that it's a very excited dog, it's growling a bit, breathing rather heavily, and there's the occasional barking. So I grabbed my microphone and I did a few takes of myself performing along with the dog. Growl, 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 growl. Now, the reason I chose this take is because it was a little bit distorted, and I think that that's good for Reformer Pro at times because, especially with an animalistic library, it can excite portions of the library that are more growly, or the barks of the dog in this case. And you will never actually hear the original take when Reformer Pro is fully processing. So let's have a listen to what the library sounds like. So as you can hear, there's a lot going on in there, and it's a good start, but it doesn't quite sound as good as I'd like it to. So I've went into the extended view of Reformer Pro here, and as you can see, there's several different takes of dogs performing growls. I found that number 6 and 7 had the best and cleanest versions of those takes. So what I did in this case was mute all the other takes and unmute 6 and 7 so the library would only be playing those back. And here's how it sounded. And that's how you can do a quick everyday dog example. So let's move on to the alligator example here. And as you can see, it's one long jumping snap growl going on here, and we're not going to do the snap sound, I'm just going to do the growling of the alligator. So say I wanted to use one of my own personal libraries or another library that I've got elsewhere of alligators performing. What I do is go to the analysis tool button here and it will bring up the analysis tool for Reformer Pro. You can then grab a library and drag it into it, and you can click the sample rates you want the library to perform at inside your DAW. You then just click create and name your library and click start, and that will analyze your files and turn it into a library that can be used inside Reformer Pro. As you can see here, I've went and analyzed 3 different libraries, the Gator Bellows, Gator Single Bellows, and the Gator Hisses. And if I move my marker into the middle here, I should get a little bit of all of them, and then I can perform along with the alligator in real time. Now let's hear how that sounds on its own. And that's how quickly you can do a performance of a gator with Reformer Pro and your own library. I hope that you've enjoyed these examples. To find out more about Reformer Pro or to start a free trial of the software, go to crotosaudio.com. Thanks for watching.